clean and that all pump parts have been washed and dried. Assemble your breast pump according to the manufacturer's instructions. Step 2. Find a comfortable space. Choose a quiet and private place where you can relax. Stress can affect milk flow, so try to stay calm and comfortable. Step 3. Gently place the breast shield over your breast so your nipple is centered in the middle of the cup. Adjust it so it feels snug but not tight.
Now I will show
Step
you how it
4.
works.
Start pumping. Turn on your pump at a low suction level. Slowly increase the strength until it feels effective but still comfortable. Pump for about 15 to 20 minutes or until milk flow decreases. Store your milk safely. Pour the expressed milk into a clean storage container or milk bag.
In the
Label it
comments
with
if
the
you
date
have any
and
questions.
time and store it in the refrigerator or freezer according to safe storage guidelines. Step 6. Clean your pump parts.